Hello everyone. I was looking for external light for my GoPro Hero 8 and I saw some of the prices in market is pretty high, so I tried to get a budget light for vlogging, and then I found this one, Ulanzi VL49. This is a Chinese mini LED video light. It has a 2000 milliamp hour battery and it can attach to GoPro Hero 7, 8, GoPro Hero 9, DSLR and other cameras if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's go and open the box and see what's inside the box. So it came cable. It's a USB-C charging cable. So this is just for the Ulanzi products, and also user manual. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's two different languages. So in the back is Chinese and front is English. I just tell you how it works. I will write for you here on the screen somewhere in the corner the specs, although I'm beside that I'm telling you what are the specs. So it comes as this. One of the advantage of this is it has a softbox cover already. So when you turn it on, it doesn't show as like a normal LED light and can have spots here and there. So it's already softened the light. So this is actually Ulanzi VL49. So it's actually 6-watt mini LED video light. It has a battery inside, the 2000 milliamp battery. It's compatible with DSLR, Osmo Action, GoPro 7, 8, 9, and even any camera that has a shoe mount system. It can easily connect it. So it has a shoe mount system, and although beside that it has another shoe mount system in case if you want to connect another light or your microphone or anything else, you can just connect it to the side of this LED light. It has 800 lumens. And the light distance, they said is 5 meters. I'm not sure how they calculate it is a 5 meters. They said the LED lifetime is 50,000 hours. The weight is only 90 grams, and it has a 49 LED inside. The color temperature, for those who are interested in color temperature, is 5,500 plus minus 200. And the good thing about this light is it has a dimmable light. The old version of this Ulanzi is actually doesn't have a dimmable light, and it has a direct LED without the soft box design. Another thing you need to know is about the runtime. I know the level 1 they said about 5 hours running, but in the worst case, maybe you can just count as it maybe 2-3 hours. And they said for high intensity of the light, the highest one, it run 1.5 an hour. So I think maybe you can count on 1 hour. So let's show you what it has at the back. It has already the USB-C charging port. Then you have a mode button. It's like a plus minus left and right, and on off for light. Okay, let's turn on the light. I try to turn off some of my lights actually here and there. Okay, I'm trying to turn off some of my lights. Then you see how is the intensity of the light. So this is the level 1. And you can, I said, with the plus minus, you can go to the higher level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. The brightness is perfect. I think even level 1 is enough. Then it has an M. So this M is change the mode. So if you touch it, it just show you how much battery left for you. So each of these light is 20%. It has total five sections. So it's like 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So now it shows that it has a 40% of the, 80% of the charge. And this is for the light. So when you push M, it goes to the battery, and then it goes to the intensity of the light. I tried the light in a normal room light. I think it was about 8 or 9 p.m. in a room. I tried it. I purposely wear black so you can see how it looks like. You can see the difference between the level 1 to level 5, and even it's off, how good it is. The only thing with GoPro, definitely you need a cage or some other compatible with the shoe system. So I normally use the cage for my GoPro if I want to use this light, because it has a shoe mount in the side. So easily I can just connect this, and then I tighten the it's like that. So you can see the size between the GoPro and this one, and frankly speaking, I think this is a real great budget item. It just cost me about, I think, 12 or 13 US dollar. I try to find link and put for you in description. It's really worth to buying, because the light, I didn't expect to have this kind of change. For this video I cannot use it because I'm just showing it to you. In my future video, definitely 100% I'm using this one with my GoPro to see how is it and what's the difference. But it's really worth it for $12. I mean, you don't lose anything, you only have an extra one. The good thing, you guys, as I mentioned, it has a softbox system, so it's useful for those who doesn't want to spend a fortune on light. Let me know if you buy it and how it works for you. Thank you and good luck. Bye.